Good morning! Today I am going out. I just got out of bed and fed the cats, and I'm just gonna put on some makeup, change, and then head out. Makeup done. I didn't do any face makeup because I am going to be wearing a mask anyway, so nobody's gonna see that. So just eye makeup today. I am changed now. Now I'm just waiting for Cookie to get here, and then we're gonna head out. I don't have a mask for this outfit. I only have this mask, which is a dark blue with stars and moons. I think I'll stick with this one though, because I think it's cute. I also put this really cute hair tie in my hair. It's so cute. Those like little bunny ears. Hi, sweetie. You want to say hi? Hi. Hey. So much for me now. I made a mistake. Hi. Oh, you want to be on camera too? I see. Alright, next time I vlog, probably be in the car or on the way there. So, see you there.
No, they can tell you.
And you don't judge me.
Fakes.
What is it? It's just rice crackers.
Tanjiro cookies.
Oh, we got this.
Oh my god, it's peach flavored?
Yeah, peach oolong.
Oh, interesting.
Tanjiro.
We just ate those. We ate his brain. Is it good?
Yeah, it's good.
It's really good.
They got matching ear cuffs. Now they're helping each other put them on. That's so cute. Wow. The damage for today. Whoopsies.
Oh, you put it in there?
Fuck.
Whoopsies.
Whoopsies. Wow. Wow. Whoa. Whoa, very pretty. Wow. 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 Oh my god.
It's really nice when it's fresh. Sometimes they'll serve it with ice cream.
Wow. We're eating good tonight. Wow.
So we're just staring at you.
That's okay.
Just like,
I'm an adult. I've
Thanos
got
over there in the corner.
Thanos. I got cabbage, cold noodles, rice, miso soup, and bean sprouts. Ooh. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Chef. Lychee mojito.
The way that these are supposed to work is you can like roll it in your hands down here.
Oh.
But you can't really do that with this one.
Are you gonna pour them for us?
Who's the youngest? Fun!
Damn it. Fine. This shrimp is kind of dead. Sorry, Mr. Shrimp.
Oh Lord. Oh God. Call the shrimp again.
We ordered more drinks. Oh yeah. Okay, second youngest, pour now. I did my job last time. And she poured for us last time too. It's your turn now.
I would like ice in mine, please.
faster, otherwise it'll go.
You gave her all that?
Bro, okay, are you sure we should let him do this? Look at the, what the fuck? Wow. Oh my god, thank you. Wow, 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 wow. 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 Almost done.
What? Oh my god.
Shove it down your throat. Oh my god! We stopped by Unionville to walk around. It's kind of cute, a little bit scary. The lighting is kind of spoopy. I also got these. You want to open it for me?
How do I open this?
Wow. Education.
Wait,
Can you open it? What the hell? That was so useless! What the fuck?
There you go, there you go.
Try one, try one.
Okay, fine.
Ugh. It looks like
Oh,
this.
this is the gummy thingy. Oh.
It's good.